Good evening, friends. I'm back with some interesting news which is happening all across the world. Some of the news you may have already heard about them, and some of them may not be so much uh, in the limelight, but these are all somehow interesting events and may have some impact in the coming future. So, one interesting news is that Google is planning to invest around 5% in Vodafone Idea joint venture telecom company in India. So, that will bring Google in a direct competition to Reliance Jio, where Facebook recently bought some stakes. So, the things in Indian telecom sector is going to be more interesting in the coming days. In another news from Iran, received around 100 modern gunships which were handed over to the Iranian Revolutionary Guards naval arm. So they claimed these are the upgraded version of the Ashura class of the naval boats. Coming back to India and Pakistan, intelligence report confirmed that the Pakistan Special Service Group SSG, they are training around 20 battle hardened Taliban terrorists in Pakistan so that they can be used to attack Indian establishment and security forces in the state of Jammu and Kashmir in India. So we will keep an eye on this news, and if there is any further development, then we will come back on it. In another important news, a terrorist attack was averted. A Pulwama style terrorist attack was planned, which happened last year on 24th of February 2019. So a car laden with ammonium nitrate explosive, which the army experts claimed was around 45 kgs in quantity. So those ammonium nitrate explosive were kept in the back seat in a blue drum of the car. The car jumped two checkposts, which aroused the suspicion of the security forces. They fired on the car. Somehow it managed to flee up to some distance. Then the driver who was driving the car, he fled the scene, left the car. When the security forces approached the car, they observed the explosives. Then they decided to have a controlled explosion, and they averted that big Pulwama type attack on the Indian Army establishment. In another news, going back to Lebanon, Russia claimed that the recent attack on the armored vehicles of Turkish army was carried out by Turkestan Islamic Party TIP, a terrorist organization as per Turkey. So Russia's intelligence report claimed that TIP was behind the attack on the Turkish army armored vehicles. Now coming back to India, in Arunachal Pradesh, Indian Army and Arunachal Pradesh Police Force jointly recovered huge cache of arms, ammunitions and explosives from Miaoban reserve forests. It is in the Changlang district of Arunachal Pradesh. So we can say that a major terrorist activity was prevented by this recovery. Going back to France, France has confirmed that they will back Ukraine to get a NATO enhanced opportunity partner status. So we will follow on this news as it happens. Now going to USA, USA has decided to expel or cancel the visa of thousands of Chinese students who have links with Chinese Liberation Army, that is People's Liberation Army, PLA. So it may impact thousands of Chinese students who are studying in America in various grades and universities. So we will see how far it materializes and how far how it is executed and how it goes. So these are the important things which happened all across the world today. We will be coming back with more important and interesting events tomorrow. Thank you.